Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to our NIEVS Home School. This is Marjia Islam, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Now I am going to take a physics class for class 9 students. Our lecture number 5, SW number 4, and our today's topic is chapter 1, extra CQ1. Now start our class. Our question is, the vernier constant of a slide caliper is 0.01 centimeter. The diameter of a sphere is measured using these slide calipers. Here the main scale reading is 12.2 centimeter. Vernier coincidence is 5. There is no instrumental error in these slide calipers. The mass of the given sphere is 1 kg. I repeat the whole stream. The vernier constant of a slide caliper is 0.01 centimeter. The diameter of a sphere is measured using these slide calipers. Here the main scale reading is 12.2 centimeter. Vernier coincidence is 5. There is no instrumental error in these slide calipers. The mass of the given sphere is 1 kg. Now we avoid the knowledge based and understanding question. Now we can solve only number C and number D. Our C is determine the radius of the given sphere, and D, the sphere will whether sink or float in water, explain with mathematical logic. Now we can solve the question answer C. Question was determine the radius of the given sphere. Now the solution, here at first given value, given that this is the given value, look at the stream, the given value of slide calipers main scale reading M equal to 12.2 centimeter. The slide calipers main scale reading is denoted by M equal to 12.2 centimeter. This is the main scale reading. Look at the stream. This is the main scale reading. Our main scale reading is 12.2 centimeter. Here slide calipers main scale reading M equal to 12.2 centimeter, and vernier superimposition V equal to 5 centimeter. This is the vernier coincidence is 5. Here vernier superimposition and vernier coincidence is 5. This is denoted by V equal to 5. Now vernier constant, it is denoted by Vc equal to 0.01 centimeter. This is the given value. The first line, the vernier constant of a slide caliper is 0.01 centimeter. This is the value of vernier constant. Vernier constant denoted by Vc equal to 0.01 centimeter. Now spheres of diameter, here D is the diameter. This is the formula. You will memorize this formula. The formula is diameter D equal to M plus V into Vc. That means D means diameter, V means main scale reading, and V vernier superimposition, multiply Vc equal to vernier constant. Now here put the value of M equal to 12.2 centimeter plus V is vernier superimposition, the value is 5, multiply vernier constant value is 0.01 centimeter. After calculating this, we get the answer 12.25 centimeter. This is the radius of the given sphere. This is the radius of given sphere. Now our question is, the sphere will whether sink or float in water, explain with mathematical logic. The solution of the question answer D. Now given that mass of the sphere M equal to 1 kg. Look at the stream. Here this is the mass of the sphere is 1 kg. We denoted mass by M equal to 1 kg, and diameter D, we get this diameter from C. We get this diameter from C. Diameter D equal to 12.25 centimeter, and radius R means D by 2. R equal to D by 2. Then we divided the value of d by 2, then we get the answer. Radius r equal to 6.125 centimeter. Now we convert this value into centimeter to meter, then we get result 6.125 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Dear students, here is the value of radius equal to 6.125 centimeter. We convert this centimeter value to meter, then we get 6.125 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Now we know volume of sphere V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube, here V is the volume, 4 by 3 pi r cube, r is the radius. Now put the value r, 4 by 3 into 3.1416, this is the value of pi, multiply r's value 6.125 into 10 to the power minus 2 cube. Now after calculating this, we get the result 9.625 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter cube. 9.625 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter cube. Now mass of 1 meter cube water equal to 1000 kg. This is our known value. Mass of 1 meter cube water equal to 1000 kg. Mass of 9.625 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter cube water equal to 1000 multiply 9.625 into 10 to the power minus 4. Then after calculating this, we get the result 0.9625 kg. Now as sphere's mass is 1 kg and the quantity of distilled water is 0.9625 kg. I repeat, as sphere's mass is 1 kg and the quantity of distilled water is 0.9625 kg, so it will drown. Dear students, our homework number 4, our homework is extra CQ 1D. That means this D part our homework. Okay, this is our homework number 4, extra CQ 1D. My dear students, hope you have understood today's math. See you again in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.